Today we're going to be talking about the Q-bar lift system. This lift today has got a big crane coming to lift. We're lifting 25,000 pounds on this one. 36 by 56 at 12-foot eve. We're going up to a 15-foot eve. What we've got here is brackets to where we hook the crane at 40 foot, 48, 56, and 64. So the crane will hook up to this large cable here and lift the bar up. And then these straps will go under and these cables will go around each truss every 8 foot. And basically what we'll do is pick this building up a little at a time, slowly. And I think the one we're going on today is 3 foot, so we'll probably go up about 3'2", 3'4". And once we get that, then we'll set our stubs in place. Crane will lower down. Everything will get nailed and tied in. And that is the Q-bar lift systems.
If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more post-frame content. Thanks for watching, and always remember, build with confidence.